Hello and welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are going to explore a very special quadrilateral, the kite. Specifically, we will focus on a fascinating property concerning its diagonals, why they are perpendicular to each other. First, let us define what a kite actually is in geometry. It is a four-sided shape, or quadrilateral, that has two pairs of equal length sides that are adjacent to each other. This means the top two sides are equal, and the bottom two sides are equal. It looks exactly like the traditional flying toy you might be familiar with. Let's break down the parts of a kite. We have four vertices, labeled A, B, C, and D. We have our two pairs of equal sides. Notice also that a kite has one pair of equal angles, usually located between the sides of unequal lengths. Now, let's add the diagonals. A diagonal is a line segment that connects opposite corners. A kite has two diagonals. There is a long vertical diagonal connecting the top and bottom vertices, and a shorter horizontal diagonal connecting the side vertices. Here is the key property we are learning today. When these two diagonals cross, they intersect at exactly 90 degrees. In geometry terms, we say the diagonals are perpendicular. No matter the shape or size of the kite, if it is a true kite, this angle will always be 90 degrees. Why does this happen? The easiest way to understand it is through symmetry. The long diagonal acts like a mirror line or axis of symmetry. If you were to fold the kite along this long line, the left side would land perfectly on the right side. Because the short diagonal connects these symmetrical points, it must cross the fold line at a right angle. For a more formal look, consider the triangles formed inside the kite. If we look at the top two triangles, they share a central side and have equal outer sides. This makes them congruent triangles. Because they are identical, the angles where they meet the center line must be equal. Since they lie on a straight line, they must each be 90 degrees. Let's try a quick question. In the diagram shown, if we know this shape is a kite, what is the value of angle x? Since we know the diagonals of a kite are perpendicular, the angle where they meet is a right angle. Therefore, x equals 90 degrees. To wrap up, remember these three things. 1. A kite has adjacent equal sides. 2. It has two diagonals. And 3. Most importantly, these diagonals intersect at a 90-degree angle. Thank you for watching this lesson on the properties of kites.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.